Hello, hi everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Thasin here. Welcome to Solution World channel. So today I'm going to discuss about how to create a Facebook page. So before getting into the session, kindly subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get all my notification. Don't forget to share with your friends and relatives who wants to expand their business and actually want to create a Facebook page. So it's a very step-by-step procedure. Kindly watch till the end so that you can have a clear idea how to create it. So let's open our Facebook in our Android mobile phone. So just open your Facebook, and then here you can see in the topmost layer the horizontal line is here. Actually click on that. So three horizontal menu button, and here you can see pages. So let me show you. It's like a flag. It's showing pages. So click on pages. Once you click on pages, here you can see create. So click on create and click on get started. So once you click on get started, what do you want to name this page? So it will ask you what your actually page is all about. So you can give any title. I'm going to give solution world. So what category best describe this page? So what your page is all about actually, whether it's about a beauty product or actually what it is all about actually. So I'm going to type education and I'm going to click on next. Do you have a website for the solution world? I don't have a website, but actually I'm going to give my YouTube channel link actually. So I'm going to click next. Add an image to this page. So if you want to add an image, cover photo, and also actually image, you can add actually. So now I have given this, and one more cover picture actually I'm going to give this one actually. So let's just drag and crop it properly. So yes, it's done now. So this is how it's gonna look like for me, and I have clicked done. And then so this is the page has got created. Important next steps actually, give next. So it was asking us to actually to give few more details actually. So next. So important next steps actually, already we have given the profile pictures and everything. So if you want to inform your friends and relatives, you can invite them actually by clicking on invite friends, but as of now I don't want to do it. Create a welcome post actually. So let's create a welcome post. Click on create post. So I'm going to inform all my friends actually that actually this is, I have page, I created my page. Welcome to my Facebook page, learn, explore and grow high. So this is my post actually which I have created. Then add an action button for a visitor. For example, if you are actually, it's a shopping page actually, just clear, you can create a shop now page, start order, like that. But this since it's in a YouTube videos which I'm going to upload, so I'm going to click on watch video. So I'll click on watch video and I'll give my so I have given a link over here, and also actually I have given actually add. So now the button is added over here, and I'm going to click on get started. So I'll click on get started. So here you can see this is how the profile looks like. So all the details actually, if you want to add contact, a phone number and email ID, WhatsApp number, you can add. I don't want to give my phone number, I want to give my email ID, so I have added the email ID over here. And the action button is actually watch video. So here you can see what I have given. And if you want to add your location and hours actually, if it is a what is a clothing textile industry, if you want to add actually how many hours it will work, you can add all that. So all the details are actually given over here actually. These are the page info actually what you have given, and additional information regarding products and all that you can give. So now once we are done with this actually, so here you can see this is how. Now I've clicked on settings. In the settings actually, here you can see general. So once you click on settings and general, so here you can see pin page. If you want to pin the page, you can do it. And if you want to add it to your favorites, you can add it actually. Here you can see, if you want allow the people to contact my page privately in Messenger, if you want to keep it on, you can keep it on. Allow post and story sharing on to stories, keep this as on actually, so that all your posts and stories will be actually sharing to stories actually. So this is actually, this will be helpful for you, so keep this as on. And if you want to remove this page actually and you want to create a new one, you can also remove page by permanently by here, and keep page visibility as publish actually, then only all your post will be published. Similar page suggestions actually, all that actually whatever it is there, just leave it off just as it is. So don't change any of those settings. So this is all about. And connect to WhatsApp. If you click on WhatsApp, so if you want to connect, if you give your WhatsApp number over here, it will get Facebook will connect it to. if you want to connect it to Facebook, to WhatsApp, then definitely you can do that actually, but I don't want to do that. And if you want to connect to Instagram, you can actually click on Instagram, and actually you can also connect it with your Instagram page actually. So here you can see I'm going to connect this. I'm going to click on confirm. So my Facebook page and actually Instagram will be connected. Now it's connected. Whatever actually I post here, actually it will be connected to Facebook. As of now, there is 0 likes and 0 followers actually. This is my first post. So this is how the page looks like. So this is all about actually the Facebook page, how everything actually it's step by step. You need not to worry about actually when creating it. So it's a very simple procedure, and every day you can actually, by clicking on add post, you can add post and enjoy having expanding your business. So hope you all would have enjoyed. Subscribe my channel.